Have you ever wondered what's happening inside your body right now? Not outside, but deep inside, where millions of tiny heroes are working every second? Welcome to an incredible adventure inside you. Let's shrink down, smaller, smaller, even smaller, until we enter a magical world full of busy workers called cells. Yes, your body is made of trillions of tiny cells. Each one has a special job, just like people in a big city. Look around. This is your bloodstream, like a super fast highway. Red blood cells are zooming past like delivery trucks, carrying oxygen to every part of your body. Zoom, zoom, they go. Without them, your body wouldn't have energy to run, jump, or even think. Now, who's that? Oh no, a germ has entered the body. But don't worry, here come the white blood cells, the brave soldiers of your body. They chase, catch, and destroy harmful invaders to keep you safe. Attack! Wow! Your body is like a superhero team. Now let's travel to your brain. This is the control center. Special cells called neurons send messages faster than lightning. They help you think, learn, remember, and even feel happy or sad. When you touch something hot, ouch! Your brain instantly tells your hand to move away. Isn't that amazing? Now let's visit your muscles. When you run, jump, or dance, muscle cells pull and relax like stretchy rubber bands. That's how you move your body. But wait, how do your cells get energy? Let's go to the stomach. When you eat food, your body breaks it down into tiny nutrients. These nutrients travel through your blood and give energy to your cells, like fuel for a car. Healthy food equals happy cells. Now look, something magical is happening. Some cells are dividing, making copies of themselves. This is how you grow taller, heal cuts, and stay strong. Your body is constantly repairing itself like a self-fixing machine. But remember, your cells need your help too. Drink water, eat healthy food, exercise, sleep well. These things make your cells strong and powerful. So next time you run, laugh, or learn something new, remember, it's all because of your amazing super cells working inside you every second. You are not just you are a whole universe of tiny superheroes. Isn't that incredible? Have you enjoyed these body facts? Want more like this? Subscribe, like, and share for more like this informative video. Check the description and get exciting educational packs for kids, parents, and teachers.